So I've rented a resort here in Romblon. So I will rent a jet ski. I met there's something in here. Look how clear it is. So pumunta ako dito kanina nang walang. Ito oh. Look at this. Ay! Nabasa yung cellphone ko. Akala ko GoPro. Cellphone nga lang pala ito. Ito, may isa pa dito ng pretty. Ito. I'll show you. Ito ah. Super pretty. See how pretty it is? I wanna go there because I wanna show you how pretty this is. So nag-jet ski ako kanina and yeah. Nakikita niyo ba yung corals? Ang daming fish. Mind you, mumurahing phone lang to. Phone to ni Chloe. Pero ganyan siya kalinaw. As in super linaw. See? Ayan si Chloe oh. Let's show you Chloe. Chloe! Yung mga dogs namin. It's heaven on earth. And then ito na yung kinatakot namin kanina na para kaming ewan ni Chloe. Kasi look. Ayun yung matitinik. I'll show you. Sakit sa paa yan. Makati. Look, can you see? Oh my God. So scary. Can you see that? Ayoko na tumuloy. Kasi ang dami na niyan dyan. Ayun pa oh. So yun na. Ay! Wow! Look at this! Meron akong new found. What's this? This is pretty. It's pretty, isn't it? Ito pa yung ano. Ano yun? So gusto ko pa lumayo actually kasi natakot akong makatma. Kahapon natinik na ako ng coral. Super sakit. Pinatanggal lang namin ng tinik. May starfish. Here's the starfish. Here's the starfish. Isn't it pretty? Ganda, diba? It's color blue. Nakita lang ako ng isa pa doon. Ano ito? May something pa na isa. Ayan. Don't know what's that. Let's come closer. Nandun kasi yung goggles. Kasi malungkot na anak ko. Gusto ko pa mag-explore. Ang dami na. Para na ako nasa ano. Ta-da! So pretty it is. What a beautiful life. Masa na si Chloe? Nawala si Chloe. Ayun na si Chloe. See? It's so exclusive to us. So, dito ang dami mga patik-tinik.